Yeah, it was
I
good
have
luck.
fun. So. How many days of vacation?
there's
It was
Tiffany.
12 total, but we're about to head back. So, like 4 here.
Have a nice day, okay?
Hi.
Enjoy.
Yay, we made it to the
That's
top.
it. It's on the top, okay?
Thank you.
Hey,
That's
guys.
where you work?
Hey, hey.
Guys,
How you
that's where
doing?
Sis works.
I want you to be a little close to each other.
Look at this, guys. Look at this view. I hope I don't drop my phone. My daughter will kill me. She'll push me out and tell me to go fetch it.
I like how we've been behind this people since we got
Yay! This is gonna be cool. I've been wanting to.
Now I'm okay.
You okay?
I'm okay. This is okay. Yeah, let's get impaled. At least I can walk.
Crawl up there. It looks kind of pokey though. What if you roll down? Sorry. What if you start rolling backwards?
Well, I guess.
We're not gonna roll backwards.
Guys, we have to go to the Groot tree. Alright? Sister show us.
And
So
then
what is there to do up here? Wait.
there's the restaurant, there's retail shops, zip line, the rail runner. There's
Basically, like down
mining.
there, but up here.
No.
There's mining, like maybe little rocks.
Dude,
Oh.
we have to do all of
There's the Vista Tower we can go up.
I'm
It's
so
very
excited,
high and
guys.
you
Be with my kids and get to see where my daughter works. Finally. After so long. This is so awesome. Woohoo! Can we get something to drink, Val?
see- Yeah, we'll get some to drink.
Do they have tacos?
Fish tacos. And they look good.
What about a hamburger?
We can get a hamburger. Yeah, oh yeah.
Here we go, guys.
Preston!
Howdy. How are y'all?
Good.
Great.
That's Mom, bro, Sean.
Nice to meet y'all. I'm Preston.
Hey, Dave!
Howdy.
Oh,
You want to play?
that's what you were telling me about.
I know.
But it reminded me
That's
the goofy one.
That's David. We don't have to get a. You want to get a photos now or later?
Maybe we should do it now. It's
Yeah, right here.
Cliff Top, where my daughter works. Say hi, Val. We're here to get our photographs. It's so awesome, guys. I'll video as much as I can for you, okay? Sasquatch. Sasquatch is here.